Good morning, grade 1 and 2. I hope you are having a great week so far. Yesterday was a fun day, April Fools. I was happy to see lots of you on our Google Meet. And I'm so happy to see lots of you are getting onto Seesaw and onto our class website and completing some of those tasks I'm assigning for you. If you're one of those kiddos, good job, keep it up. We love seeing your name pop up on the screen and seeing all the hard work that you're doing. So good job. Let's do our morning routine. I know yesterday was a little bit silly with those puppets. So we're back to normal and we have a new month to check out. So let's get started. We are on to April. There's an Easter bunny, which means Easter is on its way. Today is Thursday, April 2nd, 2020. Let's put that 2020 in for us. There we go. As you can see, we have a few no school days in the month of April. Next week, we don't have school on Friday. It's called Good Friday. That's the Friday before Easter. And the following week, we have Easter break. We also have a special birthday coming up. Zoe's birthday is on, the 13th of April. So we'll have to find a way to wish Zoe a happy birthday on the 13th. You can practice saying your months and your days. I'm going to try and make the morning message a little bit quicker so you don't spend so much time on this. If you feel like you need the practice, you can write these sentences out on the days that you feel like you need to. Other than that, let's keep going. Oh, I forgot. Let's put this bunny on Easter. Easter will be right here, Easter Sunday on the 12th. And I actually know this little world guy, he goes on the 22nd. I think it's Earth Day. I think Earth Day is on the 22nd. I'll have to research that after. So we can add those to the calendar and we can move on to how many days we've been in school. We are getting so good at using tens and ones. Just so you know, grade ones and twos, you're all supposed to be learning about place value. Grade ones, you're supposed to be showing numbers or be able to show numbers all the way up to 30. And grade twos, you're supposed to be able to show numbers all the way up to 100. So it's really neat. We're both learning the same thing in math right now. The grade twos just have to know a little bit higher numbers. And it's a good challenge for you grade ones because I know most of you can represent numbers that are over 100 because we do it every day right here. We need to add another 1 and we need to count it up because I think we have a switch today. Let's count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We do, which means we need to do some deleting. And we need to add a 10 in its place. Now I'm just going to show you this down here. When we don't have any ones, our little equation down here looks a little bit different. This is called expanded form. You've been learning about expanded form in your math assignments on Seesaw, so you should know how to do it, but it looks a little bit different if there's no ones. We know that there's 100 here, and we know we can count tens, 10, 20, 30. 3 tens equals 30, but there's 0 ones. So 100 plus 30 equals, you know it, 130. Good job if you already knew that. Now let's go on to our tallies. We can't add one more. Well, we can. That's what we need to do. But we know once we get 4 tallies, we need to make a tally bundle. So let's add a tally bundle. And I'm going to count all the way to 130 for you by 5s. Are you ready? Let's see how fast I can go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130 days of school. I can't believe it. That's a lot of days together. Okay, let's move on to our money. If it's on a switch day, we switch everything. We're gonna add a penny, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you switch it out for, Peyton? Yep, you're right. You switch it out for a nickel. 5 pennies equals a nickel. We can add it up now. We know that this is a quarter. 25 plus 5. We can use the count up strategy. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We know that it's $1.30 here for the money. Let's check out our morning message. Find the mistakes. I tricked you yesterday, but some of you caught a mistake that I didn't even know I made. I had Tuesday on there, so good job. I think Peyton saw the mistake and Ryan caught the mistake. I didn't even mean to do that mistake, so good job. Our morning message today says, good morning, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, April 2nd, 2020. I can't believe it is already April. I hope you enjoyed our puppet show and jokes we played on you yesterday. Have a fabulous Thursday, my friends. Love, Miss McLeod. Pause the video now. Try and find 3 mistakes. I promise you there's 3 mistakes today. If you can only ever find 2, that's good. Try your very best. Don't spend too much time on this, boys and girls. Get mom or dad to help you and watch for the corrections after. Okay, here we go. Let's check out those corrections. I'm going to get my red pen ready and I'm going to start reading again. Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, April 2nd, 2020. I can't believe it is already April. I hope you enjoyed our puppet show. Forgot something there. That is not a word. The word show has a W at the end. Good job if you found that. I bet you Emery found that one. Let's keep going. I hope you enjoyed our puppet show and jokes we played on you yesterday. We've seen the word yesterday a lot. And this is an sound, but it is not a UR, and you guys know that. It is an ER. Good job, David. I bet you found that one, buddy. Have a fabulous Thursday, my friends. Now, this last mistake is not a spelling mistake. There is something wrong with the sentence, and there's a really super big hint. And the hint is this capital letter. If you didn't find it, you could probably find it now. If you see a capital letter like this, and it's just a random word like have, that tells us it's the start of a new sentence, which means we need a, good job, we need a period at the end of yesterday to make have a fabulous Thursday, my friends, a new sentence. Good job if you found that. I bet, who found that one? I bet you Lucas found that one. Okay, that is all for today. Let's go and check out our vocabulary word. Remember, it is always linked below this message. It doesn't really work very well on here. Let's check out our word. Ooh, a big one today. Metamorphosis. That is a great word to try and guess what you think it means. I'll give you a hint. I bet you if you remember back to kindergarten, you learned about this, and we're going to hopefully, if we can, we're going to learn a little bit more of this later in the year when we learn about some bugs and insects. So take a guess what you think metamorphosis is, and then play the Sesame Street video after this. I'm signing off. I hope you have a great day. Once again, great job on Seesaw. Great job logging on to the website. I'm so proud of you. I'm hoping to see you all on Google Hangouts soon. Maybe next week we'll start having some individual chats. and I'm here to help you with your work. So if mom and dad are busy working or they're busy because they're busy parents, you can call me on Google Hangouts from any time between 9 and 10 once you get on to check out your learning. And if you need some help or you don't understand something, if you call me on Google Hangouts, Mrs. Schmidt or I can help you and explain everything to you so we can give mom and dad a break. That's it for now, my friends. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.